What's up, mother foxes? Welcome back. Okay, we are about to tear into that. My buddy Justin's on his way over. He's kind of going to head this up. I'm going to just kind of learn. Of course, I'll be tearing it apart with him, but he's going to kind of guide me through this. My buddy Justin is an ASE certified mechanic, so he's going to kind of head this up, like I said. I'm going to pull his pan off here, start busting some nuts loose. And by the time I have that done, he should be here. So I'm gonna get at it. And here we go, guys. 347 V1. Good. All right, guys, we're tearing this thing apart and got some bad news from some knuckleheads at the machine shop. Here's a main cap, guys. Let me see if I can't zoom in on this thing. Like right there, look at that. Something was inside that engine when they put it together for it to do something like that. That's nasty. And all the rod bearings, a couple of them were okay, but some of them, like this one right there, look at that. Look at that one right there. I mean, this is just a disaster, man. And then this guy right here is just terrible. I mean, these are pretty nasty. And I mean, this is a brand new crank and it's gonna have to be turned. So yeah, just pretty shitty, man. You hope you can turn it. Even look at that, man. I mean, that's just terrible. I mean, the main cap for that isn't any better. It just any longer, and like Justin said, it probably would have just gone. And which means that right there, we're probably going to end up tearing that apart too and taking a look at it and see what those geniuses did. So that's not a good thing. Not when you see this mess. But yeah, so much for that. I mean, the pistons and rods are good. All the bearings are shot. So, and what'd you say? One of those pistons had stuck rings?
If there's one, the bottom ring was stuck.
Yeah. So.
And there's a few that had a lot of wear, excessive wear on the rings.
Yeah.
Which the cylinder show that with the scarring.
But yeah. Anyway, there's the verdict on this. He's gonna take I need a whole new bearing set and new rings.
All right, everybody, in the comments, if you think he should just stroke it,
yeah,
tell him to send it. Not that kind of stroke, though.
But cam bearings are good. Why? Because I put the cam in. You know, and all the other stuff these yo-yos did. So yeah, what a mess. Here's a few close-ups of the disaster, folks. Justin pointed out that on the crank, and I don't have a picture of it, that the oil jackets on the crank weren't even beveled. And he said he's never seen that before. So yeah, what a mess. So there you go. It's a disaster. Yeah, it's pretty terrible. I don't know what I did to deserve this, but it's probably something, I guess. And yeah, thanks everybody for, you know, the well wishes and whatnot. But dude, don't feel sorry for me. Feel sorry for a kid with cancer. This is nothing. This is nothing, man. This is, but it is frustrating. So, I don't know if it's even a good idea to be spending money right now, especially with the psychopath over in Eastern Europe causing the fantastic world economy. And the remedial math class in charge in Washington. Yeah, so there's that. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Later. Yeah, it's pretty nasty, man. And he can't really get on it too hard, guys, because he had the same, well, not the exact same woes, but he had some difficulty on the same dyno. So we'll get into that later.